Early stage investments have been capped at 6% of Temasek's overall portfolio since 2021. Historically, Temasek has enjoyed success with some early stage investments, most notably in Alibaba, Aiden, DoorDash, and Zomato owned Eternal. However, recent volatility and a global pullback in the startup investment flows have forced a reassessment of the fund's strategy. Let's look at the performance pressures. Temasek's cautious shift comes amidst broader performance challenges. For the year ending March 2024, the fund delivered a modest 2% return, significantly trailing the S&P 500's 28% gain during the same period. In the previous year, Temasek recorded a 5% decline. These figures underscore the difficulties in navigating an environment marked by high interest rates, geopolitical tensions, and weaker liquidity for growth stage businesses. In conclusion, we can say that Temasek's recalibration highlights a fundamental truth in investing. Even the most sophisticated institutional investors must adapt to changing market dynamics. As interest rates remain elevated and opportunities dwindle, caution is replacing exuberance in the early stage space. For Temasek, this means a more measured approach, one that is emphasizing portfolio diversification, risk mitigation, and a sharper focus on companies with clearer paths to profitability. In many ways, Temasek's shift reflects a broader trend across all global investment houses as they rethink risk, return, and responsibility in a world wherein cheap money is no longer a given. The lessons of FTX and other startup disappointments are reminders that not all growth stories have happy endings, and that even a state backed behemoth like Temasek isn't immune to binary risks of the venture world.